I see you too, Oliver. She's scratching for a minute. Go for it.
Oh, come on, Ginger.
Wow. There she goes, except for Jonathan's in the way and you can't see her.
Okay, I'm back. Is it going?
Yeah.
Say hi, everybody. Hi. Hi. Oh my God.
Now can you get her to get down? Oh, she's rolling.
What?
Look at Oliver down there. He's like, look at me too.
Come on, Ginger.
Oh, Jordan, you about hurt her.
I could take some pictures of her getting down. Come on, girl.
Come on, Ginger. Jordy, quit jumping. Oh, she went down the steps.